On this example, we're going to see how to use both the laws of logarithms and the change of base formula in order to solve this problem. And if you notice here, we have the exponent, and we know because of the laws of logarithms that exponent can become a multiplying factor. So I'm going to write it as x minus 2 that multiplies the logarithm base 4 of 15. And that is going to be equal to 26. Then I'm going to solve for x. So the first thing that I'm going to do is have x minus 2. And I'm going to end up with 26 divided by the logarithm base 4 of 15. And finally, I'm going to add 2. So this is going to be x is equal to 26 divided by logarithm base 4 of 15. And we're adding 2. Now, logarithm base 4 of 15 is something that we don't know how to solve, or we could try to find an approximation, but we could use the change of base formula. So we're gonna grab this one and we're gonna change the base. So I'm gonna have logarithm base 4 of 15. And you could use the natural logarithm if you want, both here and here. The 15 ends up over here and the 4 down here. Or you could use the common logarithm, that's also an option. And the 15 would still be here. And the 4 would be inside of this logarithm. Both are equivalent to the one that we have there. So we can rewrite this one as x is equal to 26 divided by, let's write it as the natural logarithm of 15 over the natural logarithm of 4, everything with a 2. We have a 2 being added to that whole thing. Or you could have used this as the common logarithm of 15 divided by the common logarithm of 4. And now it's about using our calculator. You can rewrite this if you feel more comfortable. So this can be rewritten as 26 times the natural logarithm of 4 divided by the natural logarithm of 15 plus 2. So this would be the exact answer. And if you want an approximation, you can use your calculator. On the next slide, I'm going to show you what the answer is. So here we have it. If you notice, that's where we were. 26 times the natural logarithm of 4 divided by the natural logarithm of 15 plus 2. And once again, use laws of logarithms, and you're bringing down the exponent. Then you're solving for x. Then you're using the change of base formula, and then evaluate using a calculator by typing everything at once. Do not find the natural logarithm of 4 and the natural logarithm of 15 on their own and replace them here. Do everything at once and find your final answer on your calculator.